Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Altaf. Today's topic is something that stops many learners from speaking English confidently: the fear of making mistakes.
That's right. In this video, we'll talk about why making mistakes in English is actually a good thing and how you can overcome your fear and speak more freely.
Let me begin with a question. Have you ever wanted to say something in English but stopped yourself because you were scared of saying it wrong? If yes, you're not alone. This fear is very common among English learners.
Absolutely. I meet so many students who say, "What if I say the wrong word?" Or, "What if people laugh at me?" But let me tell you something. Every fluent speaker of English made mistakes at some point. Even native speakers do.
Yes. And do you know what helps you grow? Those mistakes. They are not your enemy. In fact, they are your best teachers. Every time you make a mistake and someone corrects you, you are learning something new.
That's so true. Think about when you were a child learning your first language. Did you speak it perfectly from day one? No. You tried, made errors, and slowly got better. The same process applies to English.
But the problem is, many learners are too focused on being perfect. They think they must speak like a native or have perfect grammar. But let me tell you something important. Communication is more important than perfection.
Exactly. Your goal should be to make the other person understand you. If they understand you, then your English is working. Even if there's a grammar mistake or a mispronounced word, it's okay. Keep going.
Let's take an example. Suppose someone says, "He go to market yesterday." Now there's a grammar mistake here. It should be, "He went to the market yesterday." But did you still understand the meaning? Yes, you did. That's the power of communication.
Yes, mistakes like that are part of learning. And here's a tip. When someone corrects you, don't feel embarrassed. Feel grateful. That correction just improved your English.
Another tip is to surround yourself with English. Listen to it. Speak it, even if you make errors. The more you practice, the better you become. Just like learning to ride a bicycle. You fall a few times, but then you start riding confidently.
Let's talk about mindset for a moment. If your mindset is, "I will only speak when I'm perfect," then you will wait forever. But if your mindset is, "I will speak, learn, and improve," then you will grow faster.
Yes. And that's the difference between people who learn English quickly and those who struggle for years. The fast learners accept their mistakes. They learn from them. They don't stop speaking.
Another important point. English is not just for native speakers. It's a global language now. People from China, Brazil, Pakistan, Egypt, all speak English in their own way. So your accent, your style, it's all part of your English identity.
So please don't compare yourself to others. Don't think, "Oh, her English is so good, I should just stay quiet." No, think, "I am learning, I am improving, I am getting better every day."
Exactly. Also, remember, nobody is perfect in any language. Even in your native language, you sometimes say things wrong, forget words, or make grammar errors. That's normal.
So when you make a mistake in English, don't punish yourself. Instead, say, "Great, I just found something I can improve." That way, learning becomes exciting, not scary.
If you are still afraid, here's a simple exercise. Speak English with a friend who is also learning. Create a mistake-friendly environment. Laugh, learn, and help each other. You'll see progress very quickly.
And don't forget to celebrate your small wins. Did you speak one sentence in English today? That's great. Did you try a new word? Wonderful. These small steps lead to big results.
Let's wrap up by saying this. Making mistakes is part of learning. Don't fear them, welcome them, learn from them, and most importantly, keep speaking.
That's all for today's video. Let's quickly review what we've learned.
We learned that being afraid of making mistakes is normal, but it should not stop you. Mistakes are necessary for improvement.
We also discussed how to shift your mindset from perfection to progress. Your goal should be communication, not perfection.
We shared tips like speaking with friends, accepting corrections, and celebrating small achievements. These actions will help you speak English with more confidence.
So don't be afraid. Speak, make mistakes, learn, and grow. That's the journey of every successful English speaker.
Thank you for watching English with Altaf. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.